Panettone, Ricky, panettone. If you want to do panettone, if you already checked out a lot of recipe, have you ever noticed that people upload always two parts of the video? First part, Lievito Madre, and after second part, actually doing panettone. Me, I was always thinking, why just people don't put in one? If you are doing Lievito Madre, of course, after you're gonna do panettone, why you are like making complicated and making different? It was my thought. It's been like 10 minutes ago. I just finished my first part of editing video of Panettone. Panettone by Bazzoli method. Thank you for Bazzoli to making little easier for part of Lievito Madre. But still, it's really complex because I started 10th of December, renewed my starter to actually make it Lievito Madre, and 12th of December, it's first update. And my first dough, I'm doing 12th of December, second dough I do 13th of December, and only 14th of December, I actually ate my panettone, and now I just finished my first part of editing my video. Yes, it's really complex, but although it's so complicated, I got it, guys, that it's always separated video, but still, I want to make video that it goes together. It's already 20 minutes long video, yes. With voiceover, and maybe I will do a little more changing, and maybe it's gonna be 15, but it's really complex. Anyway, I'm here for you guys. Panettone, it's really complex, really complex. If you're on this level, voila, soon you're gonna have my video. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested about sourdough. I have a lot of videos, tips, separate playlist. Panettone, my gosh, different playlist only for panettone. Sourdough croissant, again, more than I don't know how many videos only for sourdough croissant. Sourdough discarded recipes. And it's going on. And if you are interested in sourdough and not subscribed to my channel, guys, you have to go and subscribe. Go and subscribe to my channel because I am obsessed about sourdough. Bye.